All right, so we're asked to solve for x here. What I know is I have a pair of lines that cross, and isn't this angle congruent with this angle because they are vertical angles? And vertical angles are always congruent. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, that means that 4 plus 5x is equal to 39 degrees. That's what that means. So then I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. Why? Because I have a positive 4. I need to move it away from the x. The 4 is easier to move than the 5. To get rid of the positive 4, I need to subtract 4. Whatever I do on one side of the equal sign, I do to the other. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 plus 5x is 5x. 39 minus 4 is 35. 5x means 5 times x. To move the 5 away, I do the opposite of multiply by 5. So I divide by 5. Remember that whatever I do on one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times x is just x. 35 degrees divided by 5 is 7 degrees. Or x is 7. I guess it's not degrees when I think about it.